Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got here, and let's start by tapping on the screen, like that anywhere. As you can see we have access to this square with the sun icon, so the square is the focusing, so by tapping we just easily focus anywhere we want. And when we tap on this icon with sun a little bit longer, we get access to exposure compensation, so we can make our picture just more bright or dark as we need. So this is how it works here. Now let's have a look how to zoom. We can do it by using this slider here, and as you can see this is how it changes. We can get closer to the subject and also go back. We can also zoom by using two fingers, so this is the second way and the effect is the same. So this is how it works now. And now let's have a look at this icon here. By tapping on this we can turn on moving picture and turn it off like that. So and this is how it works. This is really cool because when we have this turn it on, we take a picture and we get the short video at the same time. So let me show you and let me take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. This is the quick access to the gallery, so this is the picture, and when we tap on this icon here we can see the clip. So this is the short video, so this is really good here. For now let me turn it off because I don't need it, and let's move to this button here at the center. By tapping on this we can manage the flash of this camera and we can turn it on auto. We can also turn on flash every time we take a picture. Here we have also access to the torchlight, so flash always on, and we can also turn it off, so I'm going to do it now. So this is how it works. And let's move to this one button here. By tapping on this we get access to the filters, so we can make our picture just more beautiful before we take it, and this is how it works. We get access to this slider and we can pick from this. So for now let me stay on the standard one, and now let's focus on this settings bar here. By using this we can easily change the modes of this camera. As you can see we can pick aperture, night, portrait, photo, video, pro and more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. This is a lot, so I'm not going to speak about all of this for now. I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. And for now let's go to the standard photo mode and let's focus on this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to the advanced camera settings, and let's start with photo settings. At the first place we have here aspect ratio, so by tapping on this we can change the ratio of our picture and we can pick from 3:2 ratio, which is recommended, 1:1. So let's go to the camera preview. So this is how it changes. This is the square one, and we can also pick here the full screen ratio. So by going again to the camera preview, this is how it looks like. So for now let's stay on the recommended one, and let's move to the next one option here. This is the audio control, so by tapping on this we can turn it on and turn it off by using this button. So this is how it works here. And the audio control is the really cool thing here, because by keeping this turned on, we can pick from say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos, and we can take a photo without touching the screen or the phone by just saying one word. So for now let me stay on say cheese to take photos, and let me show you how it works. So when I say cheese, as you can see the photo was taken, so this is really cool here. And let's go back to the settings from the right, and now let's slide a little bit down and move to the general settings. At the first place here we have Assistive Grid, so by using this button we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines on this camera. So this is really cool. Let me keep this turned on to show you how it looks like, and let's go back to the camera. As you can see it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. They are just to help us taking better pictures. So when I take a photo and go to the camera, to the gallery, to the preview, we can see them. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this one settings and tapping on this button, and now it's gone. So this is how it works here. And let's stay on the general settings and let's move to the next one option. This is the horizontal level. So by using this button we can turn on and turn off the camera leveler here. So let me keep this turn it on and let's go to the camera. So it generates us this line. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works here. And let's move again to this general settings and pick the camera timer here. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. We can pick 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So let me pick 2 seconds to show you how it works, and let's go back to take a photo. And as you can see, now the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. So this is how it works. And also here we have access to watermark, so by using this we can add the watermark, like that. Let me keep this turned on and take a photo to show you how it looks like on the real picture. So let me of course now turn off the camera timer. And let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go here to the preview again. And as you can see here we have the photo with the watermark HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus 5G Ultra Vision Lake Up and the camera. So this is how it works and looks like. Of course, when we don't need the watermark, we go back to the settings here and tapping on this option. So for now, when we take another picture, this is not visible as it. And let's go to the location tag. By using this button, we can easily turn on and turn off saving location info of our photos. And so when we want to save the location of our picture, also the important information is that to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the internet and with the location of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters. And let's go and take a photo again. And let's go to the gallery again. So this is the picture. When we slide a little bit down, we get access to the location. So greetings from Krakow. This is how to check the location info of the photo. And let's go back to the settings again. Here I also want to show you how to manage the sounds of the camera. So by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. And after turning it on all of these settings and managing this like that, sometimes we might want to go back to the auto settings, and we can do it easily by using the last one option here, which is restore default. So the camera settings will be restored to the default values. And okay, so this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.